They seem to really enjoy it. So I knew the benefits of, I thought having something that is online and sort of through a computer can help certainly those with English as an additional language, gives them that little bit of time, but also the ability to translate what's on the page and I suppose, get support that way through their learning. The difficulty that we can have is that sort of culturally, there's a lot of pressure on our students to do all the maths-based and the science-based subjects. So sometimes, there are certain students you think, oh, you'd be brilliant at this subject. And they're not, because they're doing further maths, biology, chemistry and physics, as 5A levels. And that's always going to be the case, I think, wherever you are. But actually those that do take it, they seem to really enjoy it as a subject. And it does link with the science, certainly the sports science element of it. There's a growing appreciation of that. I think it supports the other science subjects very well, because we're not only delivering very similar content in certain topics, but we're doing it in a way that people that choose this subject can relate to, because our examples are related and geared towards sport and physical activity, which, you're not going to take the subject if you don't feel that way yourself. But then even with the A level, there are elements of, I've just done globalization with my A level. And so the message that I try to give those that are sitting on the fence is the amount of other subjects it supports, whether it's biology with the anatomy and physiology, whether it's physics with the biomechanics, whether it is history with the history of sport, or business and economics with globalization and commercialization of sport, or there are so many subjects that it supports.